So on the 26th of June 2013, it will be 1 year from the delivery of the Grand Chamber's judgment in the case Courage and others versus Slovenia. And by that date, the Slovenian government was supposed to set up an appropriate compensation scheme at the domestic level for granting financial relief to all the persons who had been raised in 1992. The government has failed to comply with the deadline set by the court, and therefore the freezing on the examination of new cases, new similar cases that the court has decided last year will be lifted as from 27th of June. This means that the victims of the erasure will be it will be possible for them to file the complaints to the court, since they cannot still resort to any domestic remedies for obtaining the compensation they are entitled to for the breach of the human rights that were found by the Grand Chamber's judgment in 2012. So now, on the 27th of June, hundreds of erased persons will file their complaint with the court, and irrespective of whether in the next future the government will finally adopt the compensation mechanism, and they will ask the court to rule on their compensation claims, which cannot be at the moment addressed at the national level. So the first step would be filing applications for all those erased who are willing to do so, and then we will see what's next. I mean, what will be the reaction of the government, and whether, as we expect, a compensation mechanism will be eventually adopted at the domestic level. I think that it is now many years the erased suffered this condition, and they waited in good faith, and they had expectations on the capacity of the government to fully and timely comply with the court's judgment. But now there is no time to wait any longer. I mean, they really cannot be expected to wait 1 day longer before claiming their rights before the Strasbourg court, and seeking compensation and redress for the wrongdoings they suffered over the last 20 years.